know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you won't win.
YouTube, what up, what up? Hey man, first of all, Merry Christmas, man. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, it's all good. Happy holidays. Hey, if you off from work, I know you're enjoying that time off. You might not be celebrating the holidays, but I bet you took them days off though. But anyway, man, it's 87SS, boy. I'm back with another video, man. I just want to wish everybody a happy holidays and a happy new year, man. Hopefully next year will be better than this year. Keep on grinding, man. Stay on top of your game. Keep on pushing to your goals, man. So yeah, it's pretty nice in Virginia today, man. Hey, look, I got my little Christmas gifts here. Y'all know we don't play around with these gold Chevy emblems, the bow ties on the Chevys, man. So had to get something for Z, man. So y'all see how that gold look on there. I already like tried to paint like the front of mine, like tape up the chrome and paint and everything, but I did a rush job, it didn't come out right. So guess what, found these. Asked my old lady to get them and she grabbed them up for me, and it's just like a overlay. It go right on top of there. So that's definitely, I still got the plastic on there, but y'all will see when I get there. And I'm gonna clean this up real good. It got a double-sided backing tape on there, and all you do is just press it on. It's gonna be nice, man. So the front, like I said, the front, I had already painted it, but it didn't come out that good. From a distance, it looked good, but when you get up close to it, you can see where I messed up around the edges. Plus, I tried to pull the tape off too fast or whatever. Hey, like I said, man, I ain't no professional, but these, and I didn't notice either. I didn't notice the front bow tie was smaller than the real one, but I know now. And see, this ain't right. This ain't the right size. I told my son to come out here and check this out. He told me that they fit, so maybe he just tested the back one. Cause yeah, this would be the size for the front as well. Actually, no, it's a little bit too big. I don't know if that's supposed to go on there like that or not. Yeah, I actually like it. It's a little bit oversized, but I actually like that. So well, guess that don't really do anything for me, cause on my truck, the front and the back is the same size. So I guess I gotta order another kit, and man, I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out, man. But the back one is definitely bigger than the front one, but not as big as the kit that I ordered make it seem. That's crazy. So, oh, actually, it's a little bit. Yeah. So, oh well, man. I'm gonna have to order another one. I'm gonna see what Amazon say. Cause I ordered it. It was ordered for this truck. I sent my wife the link for this, and it said 2016, so we shall see. But for now, man, I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on the back, and then I'll just hit up Amazon. I ain't gonna spend a whole lot of time on it. And then I got a 2016, and I went with the window deflectors or rain guards. Pretty cool little upgrade or whatever. But I went with the in-channel ones. I don't know if y'all know about the in-channel or the one that it sticks to this part. But what I did was went with the in-channel. Like, I gotta let the window down to install it, and then it'll go up inside of there. So it's gonna look nice. But that's the before, and then we're gonna go ahead and get these things installed, man. I ain't gonna bore y'all with the installation, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them up there, and y'all will see what it look like, as well as this here. But I'm gonna have to take care of getting the other one there. I don't know how that happened. But y'all stay tuned, man. So y'all, man, luckily I checked those emblems before I went on to install them. Hey, it was my fault. It was my fault, man. I ordered the wrong thing. But the thing is, I searched for so I gotta let these windows down for when I do these rain guards. See, let them down about halfway. But yeah, so dang, shut up. So yeah, I bought the wrong emblems, man. So I gotta send them things back to Amazon and get the right ones. The ones that I got was for a Tahoe or Suburban, and it was the wrong ones. But when I searched for it, when I searched 2016 Silverado, that's what it showed up. But I clicked on the wrong one, I guess. The first one at the top was for the Tahoe and Suburban. Then the next one was for the Silverado, which the Silverado got the same size bow tie in the front and in the back. So I'm guessing the Tahoes and Suburbans got a smaller one in the front and a bigger one in the back. But either way, we're gonna get something done today, man. Got my windows down part of the way so I can get these things installed. It came with everything. Like I said, I'm not gonna bore you with the installation, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these things in, man, and see what a difference it made. Hey, it looked good without them, but I like to ride around my windows with my windows cracked while it's raining, you know, let a little fresh air in and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put these things on there. Wifey copped these for me for Christmas, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on, man. It's like 60 degrees out here. Hopefully I might, if I have time, man, I'm gonna pull the mistress out, man, wake her up. I know she all right in there. Yes, sir. We're gonna have to pull her out, man, and see what it's do. But yeah, y'all bear with me, man. Hey, we're gonna get these things installed and I'll get back with you. All right, YouTube, I'm back. As y'all can see, got the rain guards on. Looking good. Now I can crack my windows when it's raining, and it got a nice little sleek look to it. Like I said, I went with the N channel. That way it go up into the window channel instead of being taped up here on the vehicle. When it's taped up here, like when it rains and everything, it can go down into the and get behind that 3M backing tape. So I wanted to go with the N channel, which they look better and they'll last longer. So that's the look right there. Yes, sir. So yeah, hey, I couldn't get everything accomplished that I wanted to today, but I got something accomplished, you know what I'm saying? Oh, these are made by AVS too, if you want to know. AVS. And I can't remember the part number. I don't know if y'all need it or not, but let's see. Part number for the AVS N channels 194536. I got these from AutoZone. There's like $67 on at AutoZone. I'm not sure how much they are on Amazon or anything like that, but they made for pretty much a 14 through 18 GMC or Silverado, 1500, 2500, and 3500. Crew cab. So the crew cab is the full back door. So if you got I forgot what the other ones are called, but it's only for this one with the full back door. But yeah, I think it's a good look, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. You know, something small, something slight. Didn't get to do my emblems this time, but maybe on another video to come because I ordered the wrong part. So, you know, it is what it is. Man, look at that tint, man. I love it. Them windows dark. I still want to get that front windshield done though. But for now, we good. We good. We good. It's still nice outside, man. We gonna see if we can cut a couple blocks or something. Let's see what we can do. See if I can pull Mistress on that. Let her hit the streets real quick. I always got to do like a little holiday ride, man. Or at least start that thing up. It's just something about the holidays, man. I don't care if it's cold, hot, warm, whatever. That's where I spend my money, right? Spend my money to enjoy the fruits of my labor. As y'all can see, man, we done pulled Mistress out her cave. You know what I'm saying? Still got my, if you've been following me, you know I just installed an MSD relay. Still got a mess over there. I hadn't touched it yet. We're gonna clean up those wires and everything when I get a chance. But yeah, we outside. No backseat or nothing. We still working on that audio, man. But guess what? We still gonna spin the block in this thing. I don't care about all that, man. As long as we riding, I don't care about all that. I don't need no back seat right now. But yeah, she cleaned up pretty good, man. Got her out of the garage, out of hibernation. She been in there for a minute, man. Locked away. But yeah, she outside one more time. Go spin the block real quick, you know. Just check everything out. I've been checking all my fluids and everything like that, making sure everything A1. You always got to do that before and after each ride when you got these old schools, man. You never know. Start this thing up. Tops on, but hey, we still ride, man. Man, it ain't nothing like riding that old school, man. Even without the back seat, you know what I'm saying? Either way we ride, man. Ain't nothing like riding. man. Y'all get them old schools out there and ride, man. Use that hard-earned money and get on there and on that highway, man. Yes, sir. We outside, man. Anyway, man, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. We almost at 7,000 subscribers, man. Y'all tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend, man. We doing work over here, man. We got a couple more projects we're gonna get back into, and hey, y'all just stay tuned, man. Once we get, you know what I'm saying, once we get some more free time and we get some funds rolling, hey, we gonna be doing a lot more work. We get this weather right, we gonna be outside every day, every chance we get, man. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. 87 MistreSS, boy, we out of here.